So we'll start with the sunflower making. I'm choosing this knife, the small one, for making the petals of the sunflower. If you want, you can choose the other one also. This is a little medium size knife. Even this can be used for making the petals. But right now I will be taking this one. The colors that you would require for sunflower painting is, see, bright yellow, this one, medium yellow, little bit of orange, little bit of black and brown. That's it. All these 5 colors, but the more that you require is medium yellow and light yellow. And every time I have to take the color in my knife nicely. Now let's try to do it. First I will take little bit of brown. See, I'm just dipping my knife in brown and I'll try to make middle section as the round for my sunflower. I'm just creating some texture. It's not absolutely plain that I'm keeping it over here. You can just see the angle of the palette knife. It is like this right now that I'm doing. While doing the circle, I used it in this way. Or you can hold it in this way and then just make the round first. And then apply the color slowly. Even that is okay. Now I'll insert my knife into black color and I take the black color at the tip of the knife. Exactly the tip I'm taking, okay? And I'll put it dot inside so that it actually looks as the middle part of the sunflower. Very dark one, but if I show you like this, it is not much dark. See, the black dots are seen differentially. Okay, so now what to do? So my middle base part is almost done. Now I have to first wash the wash the knife. What I'll do, I'll take the middle at the top to this part only. You can just take the extra one if you want. Okay, and then I'll put it over here. In between again I have to fill my knife with color. It's very interesting when you play with knife. You get a very different texture also altogether and a result also. So my first layer, so did you understood up till now? I am taking this bright yellow, light yellow again, the similar way I have taken for this yellow, and I'll keep on pasting it in some of the only difference is I am giving more pressure at the tip. When I am taking the color, I have to take out this, okay? Because I want brightness at the tip of each petal, most probably in that way. So can you see? आपको मिडिल वाला नीचे वाला येलो भी दिख रहा है. You are able to see the earlier first layer also, and in top of that I am using this. So don't take complete yellow, पूरा मत लेना palette पे, knife पे. So can you see the earlier layer somewhere the bright layer also. This is the next step. After you're done with this step, now I'll just take little bit of orange, see only this much of orange, okay, and I'll mix it either this yellow and making it a little other shade, and this I have to implement from middle. थोड़ा सा डार्क बनेगा ये ऑरेंजिश येलो, ठीक है. दिस विल बी समथिंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ ऑरेंजिश येलो एंड आई विल पुट इट just in the center where the brown is there surrounding the center. I'll just give this a little bit of base, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा उसको बढ़ाएंगे, थोड़ा सा और ऑरेंज ले रही हूँ मैं, and I'm trying to create lines now. See, पेटल्स को मैं लाइंस में थोड़ा सा डिविजन कर रही हूँ. The same thing I'm going to do with brown color also. थोड़ा सा क्या होता है उसका natural look. Sunflower will look like little bit of more natural. Though you are doing with knife, it will still look natural. Now I'll take the brown. Similarly the brown at the tip, और इसको ऐसे ही या थोड़ा सा इस एंगल में ही अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. आई एम अप्लाइंग इन दिस एंगल. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग इट प्लेन लाइक दिस. इफ आई डू प्लेन it will be like this, and where you want this much brown. So can you see, is it looking realistic like a sunflower? So knife is very good tool to create texture. I created different texture with the help like a fusion of flower petals over here, and colors I chose which we generally see in sunflower.